The performance piece entitled Nature presents contemporary humans and the way they operate in their daily life, disrespecting nature's equilibrium and thus paying the price for their indifference toward the continuing and inexorable destruction of the natural environment. Through this work, I aim to expose humankind's voraciously consumerist behavior, whose consequence is a set of mutated human values and priorities. The material I use, as both physical extension and distortion of my body, is the common yet notorious plastic bag, an industrial product, a symbol of blind consumerism, and a piece of waste that has been polluting the environment for decades. Although it has recently become demonized and its gradual withdrawal has been of great concern to businesses and relevant state bodies, it remains omnipresent. By inserting an excessive number of plastic bags inside my clothes during the performance, I create a new, reconstructed, mutated body which has increased in size and power. I reinvent my body in an artificial manner, in the same way that silicone implants reinvent the bodies of celebrities and steroids reinvent bodybuilders' bodies. As a result, I project a sense of artificial security and physical power. After its insertion in my clothes, this amount of plastic causes an impediment in my free movement, which for me constitutes an experiential approach to the destruction caused to nature by plastic itself. Movement is the element that grants life to my created being. However, it is an element which reveals this being's greedy intentions as well. I am to trick the human monster within me, to appease its intentions for destruction and to turn its inherent strengths into the capacity for creation. I create a being that is defined by human characteristics and inhuman emotions. This being's insatiable consumerism ultimately leads to its self-destruction. Essentially, I demonstrate that this is a course of human action which, once followed intentionally, is difficult to reverse. I do not separate life from creation, nor do I separate art from life. This work is not merely a form of protest. What I reveal is that I am greatly concerned about the next day on Earth. I envision the presence of man playing a creative leading role, living in harmony with nature. Through my work, I intend to motivate humanity to change course, by changing myself first.